Welcome to this video on the anatomy of a motor, where we explore the internal framework of these electromagnetic workhorses. We will take a deep dive into the four essential components that define the modern electric motor. The stator, or the core, is the stationary framework. It features a laminated core of silicon steel to minimize eddy currents, copper windings that generate the primary magnetic field, and a frame for mechanical rigidity. The rotor is the output and the heart of motion. It includes the squirrel cage made of conductive bars, the shaft that transmits rotational torque, and the magnetic link that interacts with the stator field to produce force. The air gap is the critical clearance between the stator and rotor, and is the most critical dimension in motor design. Smaller gaps, like 0.5 millimeters, improve power factor and efficiency, but must be uniform to prevent vibration. End shields and support components include bearings, which support the shaft for smooth, minimal friction rotation. End shields house the bearings and protect internal windings. The housing is the external shell that aligns components and provides mounting points. These components, the bearings, end shields, and housing, are critical for the mechanical integrity and protection of the motor's core. The structural synergy relies on the electrical circuit, consisting of stator windings and rotor bars, where energy conversion occurs. The magnetic circuit, made of steel laminations and the air gap, guides the magnetic flux. These two circuits work in harmony. The electrical circuit drives the conversion, while the magnetic circuit ensures efficient energy transfer. Motors vary by scale and application. Industrial motors have heavy-duty frames and cooling. Household motors are compact for appliances. EV motors use high-power density rotors with permanent magnets for efficiency. Here you can see the difference in design across industrial, household, and electric vehicle applications. Thermal dynamics are managed by cooling fins on the outer frame, increasing surface area for heat dissipation. Clogged fins are a major cause of insulation failure in industrial settings. The cooling process is vital for motor longevity, as the fan forces air over the fins to counter heat generated by electrical resistance. This component matrix summarizes key motor parts. The stator core is silicon steel, the rotor shaft is carbon steel, windings are enameled copper, and end shields are cast iron or aluminum.